Have you ever shipped goods from China to Indonesia and thought, why is this so complicated? You are not alone. One of our clients lose 2,000 because they didn't know the right strategy. Today, I'm going to make sure that it doesn't happen to you. Hello everyone, my name is Evan Wu, based in Hong Kong, and I've worked in this industry for over 20 years. I specialize in helping business streamline their logistics between China to anywhere. Today I'm going to retrieve how to make the shipping from China to Indonesia much easier and smoother. If you ever deal with the custom delay that hold for weeks, confusing paperwork leading to fine or skyrocketing shipping costs because you didn't know the tricks, then this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will know how to choose the best shipping method for your goods, avoiding costly custom mistake and saving up 20% on shipping costs with a secret strategy I will retrieve later. So grab a pen, take notes, and let's dive in. First of all, let's talk about choosing the right shipping method because this decision can make or break your logistics. If you're shipping large item or bulky goods, ocean freight is your best bet. For shipment volume between 30 to 60 cubic meter, you can consider LCL service to save more containers booking fee. This standard transit time of ocean freight is around 7 to 8 days, but there is often 1 day delays at the port due to the congestion. It's cost effective for large and low margin goods like textile and furniture, but it is slower than air freight and shared container space. LCL may also cause delay during the consolidation. On the other hand, if you are shipping high value or time sensitive goods, air freight is the way to go, and delivery time takes around 1 to 3 days, making it ideal for urgent shipment. Air freight avoids port congestion, but it is more expensive and sensitive to fuel price fluctuation. Using DDP for air freight to simplify the process. This service covers custom clearance, taxes, and delivery, so you get one fixed price with no hidden surprise. So, which method should you choose? If you are shipping bulk, low-value items like textile, go with ocean freight. For urgent, high-value goods like electronics, choose air freight. Now let's talk about custom clearance, because this is where the most delay happened. To clear custom in Indonesia, you need this document: a packing list and commercial invoice, a certificate of origin, Form E, and a bill of lading or area bill. This document must match perfectly. Even a small mistake can lead to a fine up to 50% of your shipment value or weeks of delay. Common mistakes include incorrect HS code and inconsistent documentation. If your invoice say 1,000 units but your packing list say 900, custom may delay your shipment for inspection. Misclassifying plastic toy as miscellaneous plastic items can even double your import duties. Always double check your HS code on government website. At SINO Shipping, we pre-validate all your documents to avoid this mistake and ensure a smooth custom clearance. A lot of you think FTA is only for big corporations. Under the ASEAN-China Free Trade Agreement, you can slash import duties on certain products. For example, textile usually have 10% duties, but with a certificate of origin, Form E, you could drop that to 0 or 5%, that is 100 save per shipment. But there's a catch. If your Form E has a typo or missing signatures, custom will reject it, so triple check that form or work with a pro to get it right. Free trade isn't just for big players, it's for you too. If you want to save 20% or more, combine two strategies, DDP and consolidation. DDP means that your shipping partner handle custom, taxes, and delivery, no surprise fee. And consolidation let you share container space with other importers, cutting costs. Imagine splitting a container with 3 others. You pay a fraction of cost. It's like carpooling for your cargo. The result? No cost, less stress, and happy customers. And that is how you master shipping from China to Indonesia like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update. And if you are ready to simplify your logistics, check out the SINO Shipping service page today. The link is in the description below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.